Good morning, children. Welcome to the computer class. So, children, let's start the chapter number 4. And the chapter name is Advanced Features of a MS Word. So, children, in this chapter, we will be learning about MS Word, what is MS Word, and different types of formatting tools and their uses. Okay, so let's start. So children, my first topic is MS Word, and you know that MS Word or MS Word, often called Word, is a graphical word processing program that user can type with, and the purpose is to allow user to type and save a document in MS Word. Okay, now the question is, what is formatting in MS Word? Okay, children. So MS Words include several formatting tools that allow the user to make our text or your text appear how we want. Okay, depending on the purpose of our document. Okay, children. Now the MS Word provide the so many tools options to change the text of any character, okay, or a sentence. So first one is change text case. So change text case means to change the style of a text. Style of a text. Styles means to change the background color and your color. Okay, so first one is sentence case. This is the first method. Okay, so with the help of this method, sentence case, it means selecting these options will change first letter of every first word of all the sentence in your selected text. Okay, second one is lowercase. Lowercase means it's convert the all selected text into a lower case. Okay, suppose that I'm taking one character here, one sentence means Ram. Okay, suppose that Ram is the statement. Okay, so when we use this function lowercase, it means it's convert all the character into a small case. Okay, similarly, suppose that I am using uppercase. So uppercase means this option change the selected text to the uppercase. Okay, suppose that input is Ram, and when we use this function uppercase, so it means output will be RAM, means in uppercase. Capitalize each word means this option allow the user to change the first letter of all the words of the selected text to uppercase. Okay, toggle text means this change the uppercase character or of selected text to the lower case and vice versa. Means suppose that RAMXY. Okay, upper then lower, upper lower, upper lower, and so on. Okay, so this type of formatting, it means this is the toggle text. Okay, look at this chart, children. So in this chart, this is the lowercase button. So here we use capitalize button, means first character is in uppercase. Okay, and here we use uppercase means convert all the selected text into a uppercase. Okay, and this is the toggle case button. Okay, yes. Now The question is, what is drop cap? Okay, drop cap. So in drop cap, first letter of the text is capitalized and just enlarged so as to cover two or more than two lines, just as we see in your newspaper and a magazine. Okay, for example, suppose that I am writing here Ram. So like this, RAM. So here look at this first character. Okay, children. So this first character, okay, is text is capitalized and enlarged as, so it is covered two or more than a two line. Okay. Now the next topic is indenting paragraph. So indenting paragraph means to move our paragraph away from left or a light margin, we can indent the paragraph. Okay, look at this picture. So in this picture here we set the margin, okay, of this statement from left hand side. Okay, yes. Now the next topic is line spacing in a paragraph. So line spacing means, paragraph means its options give the space between two line in a paragraph. Okay, so line spacing is the distance between two lines in Microsoft Word document. Okay, suppose that this is the line number 1, this is the paragraph. Okay, this is the paragraph. Okay, so line spacing in paragraph give the distance. Okay, give the distance between two lines. Okay, so how we use line spacing option in MS Word? So to adjust the spacing between two lines of a document, we can follow these steps. So step number 1, select the paragraph and or a sentence, okay, for which we want to define spacing. And in step number 2, click on the line spacing button in paragraph. Okay. Okay, children. So this is the indent paragraph. Okay, so here we click on select the drop down option. Okay, suppose that I'm giving the 1.0 margin, 1.0 mm margin, 2.0, okay, 3.0. So here we select, okay, select the line spacing button in paragraph group and drop down menu will appear, and we can select any of the options available by simply click over it. Okay, children, so this is the first part of this chapter. Okay, so I hope you enjoy this video. Okay, thank you.